Ever wished for a quick, effortless way to rate each cleaning and share your valuable feedback? Hi there, I'm Heather, one of our client concierges at Executive Maids. We value your satisfaction, which is why we provide a scorecard after every cleaning, sent directly to your email and your phone as a text message. It's a simple 1 to 4 rating system. 4 for thrilled, 3 for happy, 2 for a few concerns, and 1 for major concerns. Taking just seconds after each cleaning to respond to the scorecards helps us stay in touch with your happiness and lets you communicate any issues or concerns with your cleaner through notes. If you're thrilled, use the scorecard to write reviews on Google, Yelp, and Facebook. Plus, your scorecard signals us to reach out if you need a phone call. This quick scorecard benefits you, your cleaning professionals, and our management, ensuring the best possible cleanings. Experience the convenience of Executive Maids' scorecard system today